Good morning, guys. Today we are going to start with our first practice drawing. For this drawing, we will take a rectangle first and we start from the origin point. Then we will get dimension from here. The horizontal dimension is 120 and the vertical dimension is 80. After this, we will select circle. We'll go to its midpoint or we can make it anywhere on the line. Given the radius 20, we will take the dia 40. After taking this dia, we'll give a distance from origin to the center point. First vertically, that is already given 80, and then horizontally, that is here 60. Then we'll make another circle just below this by taking a reference from it. Then we will trim the extra lines. After this, we will make a fillet at one end to check the value that it has. It is 10 millimeter. That is what is required right now. And enter. And then we will go with other lines also. Other corners we will make fillets so that we will get this center points for the next circles. So we will make first circle here and diameter for that is 10 millimeter. After that we will go to create and we will make a rectangular pattern. In this we will first select object, then we will give the direction. For x direction we will add the distance, that is the total distance from first to last, that is 50 plus 50, that is 100. And then in top side we will need 2 and the total distance is 60. We'll do OK, and by this you will have your first drawing ready. And to remove these constraint symbols, you will go in sketch palette and you will unselect the constraints. So this is your first drawing. Okay, see you in the next drawing.